A stunning executive bungalow set on a half-acre lot and backing onto a farmer's field. You are going to love this home. Come on in and have a look. Immediately, you're wowed by the 12-foot ceilings, oversized windows, and open concept layout that is bright and beautiful. With over 3,800 square feet of finished living space, this home has plenty of room for a large family or for someone who loves to entertain. The master suite is incredible. Bright and modern with this spa-like ensuite featuring a freestanding soaker tub, double walk-in shower, heated floors, and a private walkout to the hot tub. Downstairs, the fully finished lower level is an entertainer's dream, featuring this spacious rec room with a gas fireplace, a built-in bar, 2 additional bedrooms, a gym, and a large laundry room. Situated between Baden and Wellesley, this location offers a rural retreat while keeping you close to everything you need. The convenience of KW is less than 15 minutes away. A half-acre lot, high-end finishes, and a setting that truly stands out. For more information or to tour this home in person, give me a call. I'm Nicole Brand, the unique brand you can trust.